Look how beautiful this arrangement is. I was able to make this with using Christmas tree trimmings that I got from my home improvement store, and I didn't pay anything for them. These were trimmings that were taken from Christmas trees that people purchased. So I want to show you how I made this beautiful arrangement. So here are the trimmings. And they look like this. So you're going to need something to put the trimmings in. So I'm going to use this thrifted item. You will also need some plant trimmers. So I'm going to add some water. Now I'm going to place the trimmings in each of the individual sections. Because this is a smaller vase, I'm going to have to cut the trimmings to size. So that's where the flower trimmer comes in handy. So I'm going to take this one section and cut it into like 3 pieces with the trimmer. And it'll look like this. So now I'm going to start placing these inside. I may have to cut a little bit more, and I'll be back and show you what it looks like. So it looks something like this. So I'm going to keep working on it. Tip, use a bigger vase. It'll be much easier. Look how beautiful this is. I love it. So let's add some lights now. Purchase these lights from the Dollar Tree. So this is what it looks like. It's only 10 lights. I did order some more lights from Amazon, but I don't have them, so I just really wanted to show you how you can make just a beautiful Christmas arrangement with just using Christmas tree trimmings for a fraction of the cost, which was free besides the lights. So I love it. Let's turn off the lights and so you can just see how beautiful it is. I love looking at Christmas tree lights in the dark. Look how beautiful. I'm so hooked. Happy holidays.